Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transpose data in Excel. So first of all, you can use the paste as transpose option. Okay, so select the data that you need to transpose, then right click and select copy. Okay, or you can copy it from the clipboard group in the home tab. Alternatively, you can also copy using the Ctrl+C shortcut. Okay, so just copy the data, select where you need to transpose the data or the destination to transpose the data, then right click and from the paste options click on the transpose icon. Okay, this will transpose the data. Okay, now you can also transpose it from the paste option in the clipboard group, and from paste you will see the transpose option here. Okay, so you can also click here. This will give the same result. Ctrl+Z. Alternatively, you can also transpose it using the normal paste option, like just click on the paste option here, or you can just click on here, or you can use the Ctrl+V shortcut to simply paste the data. Okay, so simply paste the data, then from the lower right corner here click on the paste options icon, and then you can find the transpose icon. You can see the two-sided arrow here signifies the transpose icon. Okay, that means the columns will be converted to rows and rows will be converted to columns. Okay, if you click, then the data will be transposed like this. Okay, Ctrl+C. Now if you do not need to copy the formattings while transposing the data, then you can also use the transpose function to do that. So just type the transpose function. It says the transpose function converts a vertical range of cells to a horizontal range or vice versa. Okay, so press tab to insert the function. Now select the range of data that you need to transpose. Now press enter. See here the months in rows are converted to columns, and the store names in columns are converted to rows. Okay, so this way you can transpose the data too. Ctrl+Z. Now how do we need to do this operation more often? Then following these steps may be time consuming. So what you can do is create a custom icon in the ribbon so that you can transpose the data with just one click. To do that, first select the data. Now you can go to the view tab to record a macro and assign the macro using an icon in the ribbon. Okay, so you go to the view tab, macros, and record macro. Okay, alternatively you can also go to the developer tab and record the macro here. But if you do not have the developer tab on your ribbon, then you can just right click on any of the tab, click on customize the ribbon. Now select the developer checkbox and click OK. After that, the developer tab will be visible on the ribbon. Okay, so from the developer tab, okay, if you are on the developer tab and the data is selected, then just right click and copy, or you can also use the Ctrl+C shortcut. Okay, and then click anywhere to paste the data or transpose the data. Okay, and make sure there are enough empty spaces to transpose the data. Now you need to record a macro for the transpose operation only. So now what you need to do is click on record macro. Okay, remember you can also do this from the view tab, macros and record macro. Okay, so just click on record macro, give it a name. You can keep it as macro 1, or you can change it to anything you need. If you want to assign a shortcut key, make sure that it does not overlap with some existing shortcut keys. Okay, so you can use Ctrl plus Shift plus say T. Just press Shift and then T. The Shift option automatically will be inserted. Okay, now in the personal macro workbook area, you can choose between new workbook or this workbook, but it is best to choose the personal macro workbook. Okay, if you do this, then the macro will be stored in all of your workbooks, whether it is currently open or not. In future, if you open a new workbook, then this macro will also be available there. Okay, so I'm going to choose the personal macro workbook, then click OK. Now the macro is recording. So what I want to do is go to the Home tab, paste and paste as transpose. Okay, alternatively I can also use the Alt shortcut, that is Alt then H then V and then for transpose T. Okay, the data is transposed. So now I can just stop the recording. Okay, so the macro is recorded. To view the macro, you can just go to the view tab and macros, view macros, or you can also go to the developer tab and from the macros you can view the macros. Okay, now to assign a new tab in the ribbon, what you need to do is right click on any of the tab, customize the ribbon, then from popular command select macros, then click on the macro. Now suppose you want to assign the new group after the clipboard group. Okay, that is after this group, then select on clipboard and then click on new group. Okay, if you want to rename the new group, then just click on rename, then suppose paste special. Okay, the group name is paste special. Okay, now you can just add this macro in this group. Okay, just click on add and then select the added tab, click on rename, give it a proper icon, for example this one here, change the display name, say transpose, TRANSPOSE. You can use space here. Okay, but to save macros, you cannot use spaces, but this is just a display name, so you can use spaces here. In bracket I'm going to use the shortcut so that it is easier to understand or to remember the shortcut. Okay, so Control plus Shift plus T. Okay, so this name will be visible on the ribbon. Click on OK and then OK. See, besides the clipboard group, here is the paste special group. The icon says transpose, Control Shift T. Okay, if I clear everything, now select this, copy, select the area to transpose. Now just if you click on the transpose icon, the data will be transposed. Okay, you can do this anywhere. See, you can do this anywhere you want. Okay, so this way you can save a lot of time to for example right click and go to the transpose tab. You can just copy the data. You can use the Control plus C shortcut. Okay, or you can just copy it and then for example copy this range here and then just select the range where you need to transpose, then just click on the transpose icon. See, the data is transposed from this range to this range. Okay, so this is the way to transpose data in Excel. I hope this video will help you to do this. So that's all for today. Before ending this video, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.